Hi, I'm Jeffrey Hauser. This is me taking down my GeekDesk. There was a problem with the top. I posted another video of that. I guess the veneer is what they called it. It was peeling off the top of the desk, so GeekDesk sent me a new one. But to replace it, I have to take down my whole workstation, and this is a video of that. Hopefully speed it up as opposed to in real time. Okay, so for the record, that took probably under an hour, maybe 40 minutes. I took down 4 computers, 2 monitors, 2 KVM switches, a set of speakers, and every other miscellaneous thing I had on my desk that allows me to work. Now the next step is to flip over the desk, take the top off the base, get rid of the top, bring the new top in, and screw it back together. Get the desk set up and reset everything else. Lots of cables, lots of power, so this is going to be fun.